The name of my institute is Confident English Coaching. It is situated at Gandhi Chowk. I teach the students of plus 2 English. Dear students, today I am going to advise you how to make preparation of English for Bihar board examination. And during lockdown, all the coaching institutions, colleges, schools were closed. And during lockdown, most of the teachers were conducting online classes and they were teaching their students for the preparation of examination so that they will obtain a lot of marks in their examinations. I want to say, wherever you are reading, under whom, whoever are you studying, you should not miss online classes. Because all the teachers want to give a lot of knowledge to their students so that the future of their students will be bright and they will obtain good marks in their examinations in every paper. And today I would like to tell you how to make preparation of English 100 marks. Perhaps you know there are two chapters, grammar and literature. From grammar, 30 marks will be asked and all the questions will be asked in objectives. So you should prepare grammar, and the main chapters of grammar that I am going to suggest you to study is articles, tense, modals, voice, narration, synthesis, clauses and transformations. Preposition is also very important. So you must study these all chapters, and from these chapters questions will be asked in objectives and it will give you complete marks. And second part is literature. From literature, 40 marks you will obtain, and so you should go through entire book. If you don't study entire book, you will have to memorize objective questions. Those questions are not for memorizing. If you study complete a story, it will be very easy to you to answer objective questions. There are two parts in literature, prose and poetry. From prose, you should study from 1 lesson to 6 lessons. From these lessons, every year questions are being asked, and I think this year also from these chapters question will be asked. You must focus on summary of the chapters, like Indian civilization and culture, Bharat is my home, I have a dream, pinch of a snuff, ideas that have helped mankind. These are very important chapters from the very beginning, and you must prepare, you must memorize summaries, questions, answers, and you should not forget explanatory lines, because from every chapter some important explanatory lines will be given to explain, and it will give you 4 marks for each explanatory lines. In the same way, from poetry, from 1 lesson to 7 lessons. These lessons are very important for your examination, and from these chapters question will be asked, and you must prepare, you must memorize the summary, explanatory lines, If you study complete poem and the introduction of the poet, I think you will feel very easy to learn to memorize objective questions. And the main thing is that you must put the habit of writing yourself on any topic. You will have to explain. Only then you will succeed in writing all the questions in your examinations. There will be an essay and it will be of 8 marks. There will be a letter or an application which will provide you 4 marks. And passage comprehensions are very easy. So prepare these chapters and you will obtain good marks. Don't think about the lockdown that you did not attend the classes because teachers were giving online classes and you will have studied. This is my suggestion for all the students. Thanks very much.